I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so setup works smoothly. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and you are signed into your Apple ID with a device passcode set. This enables voice security. Then open Settings and go directly to Siri and search to begin. You do this now because Siri requires permissions and system support. Getting them first avoids interruptions. Once done, you'll be ready to enable voice activation and teach Siri to recognize your voice. You will enable the core switches and tailor how Siri responds. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri and the press side or home button option. The first allows hands-free activation, the second gives manual control. Next, choose Language and Siri Voice so responses match your accent and privacy expectations. Make sure Siri can respond when locked if you want quick access, otherwise keep it off for security. Once these are set, Siri's behavior and access reflect your daily needs and privacy. You finish by training and verifying Siri performance so it reliably understands you. Complete the voice setup prompts, repeating the sample phrases in a quiet environment because background noise reduces accuracy. Then test commands for calls, messages, maps, and smart home controls to ensure integrations work. If Siri misbehaves, restart the phone, toggle Siri off and back on, and check microphone and Siri permissions in settings. That troubleshooting step often resolves recognition and response problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.